Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the technical analysis of gold today. So, guys, you know that the gold price has moved so much up, and that wasn't expected in the last few days. But however, the gold has moved so much up, and it has touched the 13.1305 level at the moment. Okay, now looking at the things in a different way, I'm just looking different charts. If you look at the 4-hour chart, then it's giving us a bullish message, and even on the daily chart you can see it's giving us a bullish message on gold. Okay, on the weekly chart you can still see that it's into the bullish zone. So guys, this is the trade that I am talking about. This is called swing trading. But when you look at the monthly chart, then overall the pattern, it's into the downward pattern. So what happened, you know that today it's 3rd of March. So first of all, the gold started to go down. From 1st of March, it went down up to, let me put the line here so that I can explain you better. So 1277, almost it went up to like somewhere here 1279181, and after that it was pumped up. So guys, you know, in the first days of the month it has pumped down, and today it's 13th of March, it has went up. So again the momentum can be down. That's what I'm looking on the chart, because if you look at the candle on the monthly basis, then it seems like still we do not have any bullish signs on the monthly candle. So guys, it's the best time to take into the swing trade if you want to use the small lot size on gold and you want to take the benefit of the swing trade, because if it can drop, then it can drop very big. And moreover, you must know that if it goes into another direction, then you should follow the stop loss of 1332.560, which is as per Fibonacci. Okay, now let's test this thing as per the trading system you know that this 200 Forex Pips trading system. So let's test this thing. Okay, overall the market is near to the overbought levels and getting some rejection from this level. Okay, looking at the 4-hour chart, 4-hour chart is just near to the oversold level. Still it does not enter into the oversold level, but it is near to that level. On the daily chart we have a bullish sign on the on this system, and as well as a bullish sign on the on this system too on the weekly chart. But again, things are coming differently when we look at the things on monthly chart. Sorry, the monthly chart is not loading here due to the server speed. But overall, guys, I'm bearish on on gold into the longer time frames. So that's called a swing trading. It's not going to, maybe it can drop today, tomorrow. It can take some days. It can go into the long way. So do not take very high risk into gold, because it can go into any direction. But overall my prediction is bearish on gold. So if you want to trade it at your own risk, then use the smaller lot size and use the stop loss that I have provided you, that I have provided to 1332.560. This could be the better stop loss. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. Moreover guys, if you want to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.